Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipescom and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to reheat your favourite chicken strips in the air fryer. Whether you call them chicken strips, chicken tenders, or you have another word for them, then this is how they're done. We will of course be using KFC chicken strips as an example, but you can choose any. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at Recipescom. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe. Okay, when it comes to reheating food, one thing I get asked a lot about is the food safety. Can you actually reheat this food in the air fryer? Is it going to give you food poisoning? And what you need to know before reheating. Well, the number one thing I would suggest that you consider is that when you buy food from an establishment such as McDonald's, Burger King, KFC and such like, has the food already been reheated when you purchased it? Because quite often during quiet times, food's left out and it's often needed to be reheated. If this is, say, a chicken burger, this will give you a higher chances of getting food poisoning because the chicken has already been reheated at McDonald's. So then when you reheat it again, it's past the rule of meat should only be reheated once. So that's something to bear in mind when you've bought fast food and you want to reheat it. So best to get the food from McDonald's during busy times when you know it's not being sat around for hours. Another thing to consider is how long the food's been left out from the point of you purchasing it to the point of when you're reheating it. As in, I would never recommend reheating rice that's been left out on a barbecue or at a potluck because it's more likely to be high in risk of food poisoning. So just be careful. And if in doubt and you do want to reheat food and that's your plan ahead of time, is to aim for vegetarian food over meat food. So for doing the chicken strips, you can use any previously cooked chicken tenders, chicken strips, or whatever they're called where you live. It doesn't have to be KFC. But today we're just using some classic KFC chicken tenders, or as they call them at KFC, chicken strips. I know that these are a bit bigger than the ones that we have on Recipe This, so I'm probably going to increase the cook time slightly just to give them that little bit extra, because you've got smaller ones there that will be cooked in plenty of time, but some of the bigger ones may take a little bit longer. So just fill your air fryer up with them. You can do this amount or you can do smaller, but try not to double layer them because otherwise you'll lose your crisp on them. And then of course you want to spray them with some extra virgin olive oil because this will help crisp them back up again. And then place your basket back in the air fryer unit. So for smaller ones, I would recommend 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. But the ones we've got are a bit bigger, so I'm going to increase the temperature up to 170 Celsius, and then I'm going to do the cook time instead of 4 minutes up to 5 minutes, and then we can check on them and see if they need any longer. And we've baked, and well, the sizzling chicken strips are done. I'm not really going to bother cutting into them to check to see if they're done because you can tell from the heat on them when they're cooked through. And they've got a lovely crispy coating again thanks to the olive oil spray, and now they're ready for enjoying. So this is our reheated chicken strips in the air fryer, and I just love the texture of the crispiness that you get on the batter when you've added that little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And as you can see, these chicken strips look absolutely fantastic. So let's see how they taste, shall we? and these are very, very nice. If you've not had KFC chicken strips before, they're a bit spicy because they have quite a bit of pepper in the batter, but they don't have the same seasonings that they have in the rest of the KFC menu, which is fantastic for Dominic because he's allergic to tarragon and they don't have it in these. So we're going to finish this video and I'm going to give this back to Dominic.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.